How to split a Google Docs page. Hi guys, let's get started immediately. Now the first thing you want to do is to be on your blank Google Docs page. Now head over to the top of your page and click on Format. Now you want to go over to where you see columns, and over here you would notice that there are three different types. Now there's one that is not splitted at all, there's one that is splitted into two, and there's one that is splitted into three. Now I went to the one that is splitted into two. Go ahead and type on this side of the page. Now if you would like to type on the other part of the page, here it's what you do. You want to head over to Insert, is at the top of your page, and tap on it. Now you want to go ahead and scroll down to where you see Break. Now you're going to head over to the option that says Column Break and tap on it. And guys, you have access to the other side of the page that was splitted. Now this is exactly how to split a Google Docs page. Now if you found this video helpful, you want to click on the subscribe button to subscribe to this YouTube channel for more useful tutorials like this. Now I'll see you in my next video. Bye.